Just got out to the bus today. 52 watts. And it is completely cloudy. No sign at all. I'm expecting to hear a very loud boom here in a minute. I'm out at the quarry. And I just noticed that this is not sealed. Need to fix that. I'm going to hook up the batteries and see if they're drained. If they are, I'm going to use house batteries to go through the inverter to run the battery charger to charge these batteries. We'll see if that works. To my amazement, it was fully charged. Alright, time to get to work. I put heat, and y'all probably can't even hear me. I put heat in the fuel because it's been sitting so long. I know it has water in it. And I'm gonna get to work. Okay, it's 2 hours later. Still going. It's 60 watts. Still extremely cloudy. The sun's not supposed to come out at all today, so that's fine. Everything looks fine in the controls for the solar. I have taken a lot out, and the AC is gone. The blower fan is gone. I've taken a lot out of here because the bus within the next couple of days is going to be moved to the welding shop. And then after that, we're going to start building everything. However, I did run into a problem. The blinker switch right there apparently has a short in it, because when I had the bus running, I tested the lights. They come on, then they go off, then they come on, they go off. Brights don't work at all. So yeah, that apparently has to be replaced. And then get everything going. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click the thumbs up below it. If you want to stay updated with everything that's happening and all the travels that are soon to come, click the big red and white blinking subscribe button with all the arrows.